Hi guys, welcome back to Clunker Revival. I'm Tony and I'm pretty excited to share some news with you. You know, we felt like we got the boat in a really good place. It was putting out a good wake. It didn't break down on us the last time we used it for fishing. So what do when you're all done with a project? You do the inevitable, either sell it or in my case, give it away. So I gave it away to a good friend of mine who's got young kids and then can use it at the lake or the reservoir. And every time I go to see him, I can use it to go fishing with him and make him pay for gas is really at the end of the day. So now that we closed out the boat and moved on, it was time to find a new project. And we did. We found a project in somebody's garage that was left for dead. Nobody cared about it. So I threw it in the back of the truck and then we brought her home. Again, this one's got a low budget, less than 2,000 bucks, and it's a piece of junk. It's quite garbage, to tell you the truth. But it was left for dead, and we're gonna try to turn it around. So without further ado, let's take a look at our new project, or Clunker.